Hello, my friend, and welcome back to Learn English Anyways. I'm so happy that you're here with me today. In this episode, we'll talk about motivation, how to keep learning English even when it feels slow or difficult, and how to stay strong on your journey. This is a slow listening and shadowing lesson, which means you can listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice speaking step by step. So, take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin together. Learning English is not easy, and that's completely okay. It's normal to feel tired or to think you're not improving fast enough. But remember this, you're not alone. Everyone who learns a new language needs time. Time to listen, time to practice, time to understand, and time to grow. You don't need to be fast, and you don't need to be perfect. What matters most is that you keep going. Some days you'll feel strong and confident. Other days it may feel hard. That's all part of the journey. Even small steps are good steps because every time you listen, read, or speak, you're moving forward. Repeat after me. I'm learning, I'm improving, I'm doing my best. I will not give up. Beautiful. You're doing amazing. Now, let's talk about your reason for learning English. Why did you start this journey? Maybe it's for your job, or to travel, or to study, or simply because you love learning new things. Your reason is powerful. It gives you strength, energy, and focus. Whenever you feel tired, remind yourself why you started. That small reason in your heart is your motivation. Repeat after me. I know why I started. My reason is strong. I will keep learning. I can do this. Excellent. Many people think they need to study for hours every day to improve quickly, but that's not true. Even 5 or 10 minutes a day can make a real difference. Read a short text, listen to a podcast, or repeat one sentence. These small moments add up. Learning English is not about doing a lot once. It's about doing a little again and again. Just like exercise, you don't get stronger in one day. You grow by showing up every day. Repeat after me. I can learn a little every day. Small steps make big progress. I will keep moving forward. Perfect. Sometimes we're too hard on ourselves. We say things like, I'm not good at English, or I speak too slowly, or I'll never be fluent. But those thoughts are not true. You are learning something new, and that takes courage. So please be kind to yourself. Speak to yourself the same way you'd encourage a friend. Repeat after me. I'm learning. I'm trying, and I'm growing. I'm proud of myself. Wonderful. That's the right attitude. There will be days when you don't feel like studying, when you're busy, tired, or just not in the mood. That's okay. It's normal. You can rest and take breaks. Your brain needs time to recharge too. But the key is, don't quit. Do something small. Listen to one song in English, watch a short video, or read one paragraph. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is connection. Keep English close to your daily life. Repeat after me. I can rest, but I will not quit. I will keep going, step by step. Yes, exactly like that. English isn't just a language, it's a key that opens new doors. It connects you with people around the world, helps you travel, study, and work anywhere. When you learn English, you're learning how to connect, how to be understood, and to understand others. That's powerful. Repeat after me. English connects me to the world. English gives me more choices. English helps me grow. Excellent job. Sometimes it feels like you're not improving. You study, you listen, you repeat. But you don't see the change. That's okay. Progress is quiet. One day you'll notice you understand more than before. You'll speak more naturally and your confidence will grow. That's real improvement, even if it happens slowly. Repeat after me. I'm better than I was yesterday. My progress is real. I'm proud of myself. Beautiful. Learning English is not a race. It's a journey. You don't need to be the fastest. You just need to keep moving forward. Sometimes you'll go fast, sometimes slow, sometimes you'll rest. And all of that is perfectly fine. Enjoy the little victories. When you understand a movie line, remember a word, or talk to someone confidently. Those are the moments that matter. Repeat after me. I enjoy learning English. I am patient. I will keep going. My friend, you are doing something truly amazing. You are learning a new language, and that means you're opening a new chapter in your life. Be proud of yourself. Keep smiling and never stop believing in what you can do. Thank you for learning with me today on Learn English Anyways. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep learning. See you next time, and bye for now.